Alright, then before this video starts, I just want to give out a quick warning. The content provided in this tutorials is intended for educational purposes only. So anyway, let's get started. So today we're going to be doing another web hacking KR challenge, and the web hacking KR challenge I'm going to be doing today is called let me try to type this. Let me just exit this out because I don't know what's happening here. Let me just, oh wait, did it fix it? Okay, fixed it kind of. Clear. Alright then, so today's web hacking KR challenge is going to be challenge 54. So we check right here, we have old 54. So if I click on this, we see that we get password is, and then they just keep spamming a bunch of requests. So what is happening? What is going on? So if I refresh this again, we'll see like a bunch of things are being loaded up, and then it stops at some kind, or it just keeps on going. It stops at a question mark, as you can see right here. So what's going on? So with this challenge, you have to look at your network tab. So how do you check your network tab? You basically right click and then you go on to inspect, and then for here you check the network tab, and right here it's going to record all the network activity that's happening behind the scenes. So what I'll do again is just press reload. So if we press reload, we see a bunch of network connections being made from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if we click on each one of these, we see that a response is being made, and a response lets out one letter word. So in this case it's F, and we check right here for this one it's L, then we check this one right here it's A, and we check this one right here 3 is G. So you see right here is basically building up our flag. So all we had to do for this challenge is basically just build up our thing. So we saw earlier we had the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 0 was building F, 1 was building L, 2 was building A, and 3 was building G. So basically for this challenge, for the most part, we need to find a way to be able to get all these responses. So what I did was basically build a script. So how do you build this script? So cat challenge 54.py. So what did I do? Oh wait, back cat so you guys can see it clearly. Challenge 54.py. So what I have here is basically my script. So what I did was use the import request library, and then from right here I got the URLs, and the URL is basically whatever was being requested. So this is where the requests are being, this is where we get the one letter word. And then what I set up was a counter to go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all the way up to, looks like 38. And then next I got the session, the cookie. The reason why I needed to get the cookie was that it wasn't printing out the data needed when I was using the cookie for the most part. And now for right here, I have something, I made a fake string so I could build up the flag. So I could build up the flag variable, the flag string. So right here, I have the request going from 0 all the way to 39. And then I make a request every time to this URL plus the counter at the end. So right now, right here, I'm building it up. And then right here, I attach the cookie session. Cookie to let us know where we're at. And then if you only did this part, and if you left this part out, you'll get a bunch of H's. What do I mean by that? So if I click on here, as you see right here, if you go to 0, you see F is being referred. But if I double click on this, it prints out a question mark. Reason being because I'm guessing there's no reference to it when you do the network call. So if I just click that and then go to header, there's no refer. Yeah, there's no refer right here. I was checking right here, refer policy, refer. Yeah, there's no refer right here for the most part. So that was the main reason that was causing me errors. But if you check at the original, this one, if you check right here on the header, there's a refer. It's referring to the website it's accessing beforehand. So that's what I did in my case. So that's why the refer is right here. And then right here, this prints out the URL so I can see what's actually going on in real time. And then right here, I capture the request. In this case, the first request is at 0, so I'm going to capture the response of it. And the response is only the letter F. And then on 1, it's only the L. And then I start building up my string to make up the flag. And then at the end, I print out the pieces of flag. And so it prints out the end one. And then right here, I just increase the counter. So if I run this, you'll see what I mean on what's going on. So best challenge.54. So we get Webhacking.kr at 0, it prints out F. At 1, it's L, but then it gets added to the string, so it's L, FL. And at 2, it prints out A, but then it gets added to the FL. And then at 3, it's at G, but then it gets added to the previous one, which is flag. And then just keep on going to all the way until you hit 38. And then if we check again, we see that we get the entire string right here. So if I just simply copy this and then post it, copy, and then post down authentication. And basically this value right here is basically our flag that we get at the end. So this is our flag at the end of the day. So this challenge is pretty fun for the most part. I had a lot of trouble with the scripting. Reason being was the refer part. I kept getting the question mark error, and I'll show you guys the question mark error. But for the most part, that was about it for this challenge. It wasn't, like I said before, too difficult or nothing like that. I was just having trouble when it came to simple stuff like that. So if I just, if I do something like that, then and so I'll just show you guys what I mean by the question mark error. So if I just do that, so you'll see it's building up question marks. See, it's building up question marks. So that's all I was having beforehand if I didn't have the refer. But anyway, that was about it for this challenge. If you guys learned something new today, I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.